This is Infrastructural Membranes. It's a public art installation inspired by HVAC systems and other systems of infrastructure that we take for granted in everyday life. We often try to, make these systems more hidden, but they're fundamental to our existence, and they're channeling air, they're channeling data on the internet in ways that we don't always pay enough attention to. This relates to my broader research agenda exploring emotion AI and other forms of surveillance that collect data about people in everyday life in ways that are often a little bit sneaky, a little bit subversive. And so instead of being sneaky and subversive, I made something really big for people to explore. What I'm hoping people will experience when they walk through is a sense of being immersed in a space that's enclosed but also very directional, channeling the air from one end to the other, air swirling all around, bits of tinsel and collected leaves swirling around on the floor.
It sort of felt like I was maybe inside like a HVAC system, I think was one example, so it definitely made me think of that. The sounds were a little interesting. It felt like I was sort of swimming through like one of those, like a big tube, one of those tube making instrument kind of things.
I'm hoping people will think about the infrastructures that they take for granted every day and how they're constantly shaping our experience. Whether we're inside a filter bubble on our social media or news feed, whether we're in a search engine bubble from what Google has learned that what search results we like, whether it's the air that we breathe inside of buildings thanks to the HVAC systems, and reflecting on that and kind of thinking about making those boundaries a little bit more permeable, a little bit more translucent.